Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up and trying on everything from my April Play by Sephora bag. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. If you've been watching for a while, you know that I've been getting this bag for quite some time now. I will link last month's video up here in case you are interested in it. And if you are not familiar, this is a $10 a month subscription box. You get 5 sample size items plus a bonus item, which is generally a shampoo and conditioner or a fragrance sample. So I'm going to try on everything that I can try on for you guys. Some of the stuff obviously is not makeup, so that's really hard to try on. But let's get into everything that I got. All right, this is the box this month. So it just says Sephora Bingo. It's like a little bingo board. And the first thing in the box is this. It's from Clinique. It's the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. So inside here it says a balancing act, a fast absorbing daily moisturizer that combats dryness and balances skin. This lightweight formula has a silky texture that strengthens skin's moisture barrier and keeps it hydrated and radiant all day long. So let's try this out. I haven't tried this. I really love the Moisture Surge from Clinique. I feel like this is like their really old school moisturizer. Maybe they had a different yellow one. I don't know. But the Moisture Surge is amazing. So maybe this one will be too. Okay, it definitely is really fast absorbing. It feels, I mean, it has left my skin tacky right now. It hasn't dried down yet. It didn't feel, it almost felt like too creamy for me. I'm really into like lightweight and gel moisturizers, so I don't know if that was like my favorite one. Like I said before, the Clinique Moisture Surge, this is a really good one, but this is a much more gel lightweight formula than the way that this one feels. Next in the bag is from Laura Mercier. This is the Foundation Primer Radiance. If you guys haven't followed me for a while, you know that I love the original foundation primer, so this is just the Radiance version of it. So on here it says, an illuminating creamy gel that creates a smooth canvas for makeup application. Foundation will glide onto skin and stay fresh for hours with this primer that works for all skin types. Formulated with antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and E, it nourishes skin while prepping it for makeup. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and kind of place it everywhere. This kind of reminds me of the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. In a second, I'll put them side by side. But it has definitely left like a luminosity on my skin. So let's see how similar they actually are. Okay, so this one is the Laura Mercier, and then this is the Becca. So again, Laura Mercier and Becca. I mean, the end result is pretty dang similar. They feel really similar. So yeah, I mean, I really like the Becca one, but I think the Laura Mercier one is pretty similar. The long story short of that is you don't need both of them in your collection, so if you already have one of them, there's no need to get the other one. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup until we get to the next product, and I'll be right back. All right, next up in the bag is from Urban Decay. This is their Perversion mascara. This is a volumizing mascara, and I actually have a full size of this. I've just never opened it or tried it, so we're gonna try the mini size today. So I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply this. And it says, play the long game, a lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easy for full body lashes. This creamy formula delivers bold lashes without being sticky or clumpy. Plus ingredients like honey extract and marine collagen nurture with every swipe. So let's curl our lashes and then we will apply this. Okay, so this is one coat. I feel like it's not that volumizing. So I'm gonna let it dry, do one more coat, and we will see where we're at. in the meantime, the next thing in the bag is this. It is from the Sephora brand. It is the Triple Action Cleansing Water. And it says, clear the way, a no-rinse, soap-free cleansing water that removes impurities and makeup. This soothing formula leaves skin feeling fresh and comfortable in one simple step. Hydrosen, a plant-derived ingredient, moisturizes and nourishes. So I'm gonna try this. I've actually gotten this before and I haven't tried it, so I'm going to try it this time. We will see. And then next is from Farmacy. I actually really love this brand. This is called Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. And this says, Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with Echinacea Green Envy, an exfoliating night serum that resurfaces skin and reduces uneven skin tone and dullness. Set your skin on the path towards greatness with this exfoliator that uses a blend of gentle AHA, BHA, glycolic, citric, and fruit extracts acids to reduce the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. And it says use it 2 to 3 nights a week. So I will definitely try this out. I, like I said, really like this brand, so I'm excited to try this. And the packaging is nice because it does come in like a little packaging with a pump. So that is nice. I will try this. I'm sure you guys will hear about it if I love it or if I hate it. And then lastly, this month's bonus is a shampoo and conditioner from VERB. This is the Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, a mild hydrating shampoo and conditioner duo that re-energizes damaged and brittle hair. So it's, yeah, it just says it's safe for colored hair, which I don't have, mild enough for daily use, which I don't wash my hair every day, and delivers a boost of provitamin B5 moisture. So I like to use these when I go out of town for an extended amount of time. I generally, if I leave for the weekend, I try to wash my hair before I go and then I don't wash it while I'm gone. But if I'm going to be gone for long enough that I do have to wash my hair, I like to bring something like this because it's so easy to just throw into your bag and you don't have to worry about using hotel shampoo and conditioner or bringing something of your own. Okay, my lashes are dry, so I'm going to go in and do a second coat of this mascara. Okay, this is what 2 coats of that mascara looks like. Honestly, I'm not that impressed with it. I don't feel like it's like that volumizing. Okay, let's go through the products really quickly one by one. So the moisturizer is I probably won't use this anymore just because it's not really the formula that I like. The Laura Mercier primer, I'm definitely going to use this again. I think it's really pretty. It's a nice hydrating primer, or radiant primer, and I feel like it left my skin with a nice radiance on it, which is always nice to look nice and healthy. I really like using these during the summer because you're already glowy and sweaty, so it's kind of like that on purpose look. The mascara is a bit of a pass for me. Triple Action Cleanser, I'm going to try this. I don't really have high hopes because I don't generally like these type of like micellar waters, simply because I go through them so quickly. Like, I like cleansing balms and cleansing oils, but these types of things, I just feel like I fly through them, and yeah. And then the Honeymoon Glow from Farmacy, I'm really excited to try this out. So this I'm really excited about. And then the shampoo conditioner, I will use this at some point. I wouldn't say I'm ecstatic about it, but I'm definitely going to get use out of it, so I guess that's a good thing. So I'd say the 2 things that I'm most excited about are the Farmacy Serum and the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. This is actually probably one of my favorite bags that I've gotten in a few months now because so many of the times it's like only skincare stuff, so I'm glad. Okay, this is basically all skincare too, minus the mascara, but I am excited about the primer, so I guess that kind of like makes up for it for me, and I'm excited about the serum. But a lot of times it's like brands that I'm not really even that interested in, or I've just gotten the sample so many times. So this month was pretty good. I'm excited to try the things out. So let me know down below if you get this box too. Did you get the same things I got? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.